Alright, so we're heading out here, Madison Hammock. We're gonna go to now Coral Gables. Maybe pass by the boat show, fish a little bit. Rocks back there. So yeah, let's see. Alright, so we're arriving here to like downtown. The boat show's somewhere around here. I'm not sure. I know it's like farther in there. I know it's somewhere in there, so we're gonna go see. Okay, so we're here at we made it. We're in the no wake zone right now. We're a little bit fast. And you can see all the buildings. Pretty sure the boat show's farther down there. Alright, so we're passing by the Miami River. We have stops here, so slow down a bit. The boat show is like right there when you pass that bridge, so I could already see all the boats. Pretty cool catamaran coming. So yeah, we'll see. Pulling up here to the boat show, you can see it right there. So yeah, I'll show you guys over there. Alright, so we're here. We have more cops there, but there's a lot of boats here, straight packed, so we'll see. We have an HCB next to the firefighters. Pretty nice. Here we have really, really big boats. Catamaran, cops. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Really nice Freeman. Yeah. 450s. Really nice. Sport fisher. A lot of boats. A lot. Ox diesels here. Boat is sponsored by them. So we have some more boats here. It's not a lot though. Can't inside because we can't go back inside. I've seen this Freeman on TikTok right here. Really nice boat. Really nice. We have a lot of police here. Look, another nice, really nice catamaran. Yeah. There's a lot of nice boats here, but this catamaran is really nice. Add Hondas. Oh, it's those new Hondas. These 350s. We have another Freeman. Another really nice Freeman. 400s. 400s. Nice. Most of these really big, nice yachts are Italian boats. Because, I mean, you can just tell, like, how they look. Really nice, though. What I like most of the sport fleet that they have here, like, real nice. And there's another nicer one. It's a gray one. It's a little bit smaller, though. The size of that first one. Or maybe like the second one. Really nice of it. It's gray. It's a nice gray. Right there. Really nice. This lizard right here is the only lizard in the whole world that has seen a boat show. This lizard has been on there since my house. This lizard has seen the boat show, it's seen the marina, it's seen the road, it's seen everything. It's even seen the bayside. Next, we're gonna go to Lonely Harbor and, you know, hang out there for a little bit, but we're gonna go to Sandspur Island. It's like right behind Hollover. So it's Hollover right here, and then the island's right here. And then hang out with our friends because we have a whole bunch of friends that are there right now, so we'll see. We saw this boat earlier, but we were really close, so now we have better close up. It's really nice. All I don't really like is those Honda outboards. I'm not a big fan of Hondas. We have Bayside. You have a tri-tune right here, but well. This is where all the cruise ships are. That's firefighters right there. Alright, so here we have, you can see all the cruise ships. This one is that one up there. That's why it's all the way to the front. Then we have the police right here. They don't let anybody else through since there's cruise ships. I mean, early in the morning, you can go through when they're not here, but right now you can't. This is like independent listening. I can't tell what those other ones are. But yeah, this one's Royal Caribbean. Yeah, so then we have the boat show here again. So yeah, we're going all the way to Hollover. So we're here. We have Hollover over there. But yeah, like 7 feet of water. So there's somewhere around here on this side of the island. So we're here, as you can see. There's some over there, we just have to find them now. Alright, so we made it here. There's a lot of people here. There we have other YouTubers there. Those are our friends right there. There's another really nice tiny Key West right there, 15 and 2. That's one of our friends. He's the reason why we came here. He's the one that told us. But yeah, I have my goggles and I might get in the water, dive around a little bit, I don't know. But yeah. Alright, so there's as you see, a lot of people here. There you can see the raccoons eating. About 4 of them right there. There's 3 of them. There's 1, 2, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12, 13 raccoons. 13 raccoons, and some of them look different. You can see they're feeding them right there. It's pretty cool, actually. But I'm scared. I'm too scared to do that. Look at them in the trash cans all the way back there.
Vamos a subirlo un poquito y a la por ahí.
They're the raccoons waiting for somebody to give them food. So, try to go into the water so I can swim around a bit. It's really cold. Oh, there's more raccoons running around. So, it's like about 2 or 3. So, we're probably gonna go already. We're gonna go home because, like, we're about 2 hours away. Well, I mean, it's not 2 hours away, but we have to go through the no-wake zones, and that's really, really long. And there's a lot of police because of the boat show. So it's about 2 hours, and then it's really windy. It's like 14 miles of wind right now, so it's gonna be pretty choppy. So you want to go now before it gets worse. There we have Alabama, Miami. It's one of our buddies. We're gonna leave now. All right, so we're here coming out of. We're leaving now, like, we're actually leaving the time zone. We're kind of far from Madison because we're all the way by Hollover, and it's a no-wake zone. It's not that far, but we have to go slow. So it takes quite a bit. So yeah. It's a really nice food right there. Really nice food really big boat stopped up there. Waiting for him to pass so we can pass the bridge so we can go. We can't go. We can't go there. Alright, so it's been about 40 minutes, something like that, and no, probably a little bit more, almost an hour. We're here back by the boat show, so it was really choppy back there. Back here, it's not as choppy, it's a little bit better. Probably when we go out, like when we get out of the no-wake zone to go back to Madison, it's probably going to get really choppy. It's going to be open. Oh, we'll see. Really nice pursuit right here. Then we have, I think, yeah, that boat's coming from the boat show. Yeah, so they're coming from the boat show. Look, Volvo motor inside. So, I just heard the police sirens. They just lit somebody up. So we'll see. I mean, that's everyone. So we're not trying to get stopped by cars. Ooh, Midnight Express. Full 400 hours. Nice boat. There's the HCB from earlier. It was next to the firefighter. Nice, really nice. Nice color, my 3600s. There's cops everywhere. There's cops right here. Something that I've seen today, I wanted to tell you. Here we have stop somebody else. Stop somebody else. It's a really nice boat. First time I've ever seen police with those contenders, actually. Never seen that. Another really nice marina passing by. A lot of people. 400. We saw this one earlier. Alright, so after we pass this bridge, we go fast. Because that's where the end of the no-wake zone. And then we finally get to go home. It's about 4:30, so and now it's already gonna be dark, so we have to try to hurry up. Alright, so we finished. We loaded it up already, so now we're just gonna go home. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one.